Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Riot Vanguard not installing. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and that Windows is fully updated. Temporarily disable any antivirus software, as it can sometimes interfere. Always run the Riot Games installer as an administrator to grant necessary permissions. These initial steps often resolve common installation issues, getting you back into the game quickly. If initial steps don't work, a clean reinstallation is often necessary. Begin by uninstalling both Riot Vanguard and Valorant from your system. After uninstallation, manually delete any leftover Riot Vanguard files, typically found in your program files. Then, perform a complete reboot of your computer. Finally, reinstall Valorant, which should automatically prompt a fresh installation of Vanguard. Compatibility issues can also prevent Vanguard from installing. Make sure all your device drivers, especially graphics drivers, are up to date. Check for any conflicting background software that might interfere. For Windows 11 users, it's crucial to ensure Secure Boot is enabled in your BIOS settings and that Trusted Platform Module, or TPM 2.0, is active on your system. For persistent issues, consider advanced troubleshooting. Perform a clean boot of Windows to eliminate software conflicts. You can also check for and repair any corrupted system files. Ensure your firewall settings allow Riot Vanguard and Valorant full access. If all else fails, gather detailed logs and contact Riot Games support directly. They can provide personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.